Welcome to the Formula Foundation. This video contains in the previous videos we have derived formulas for arithmetic mean, that is a is equal to a plus b upon 2. For geometric mean, g is equal to plus minus radical ab, and harmonic mean means h is equal to 2ab upon a plus b between two numbers a and b. Now in this video we are interested to find that how these means are related to each other. So let's see. Now let's see theorem 1, that if a, g and h are respectively the arithmetic, geometric and harmonic means between any two given numbers, then relation between them is a h is equal to g square, means a, g and h are in gp. मीन्स थ्री मीन्स में एक रिलेशन ये है कि अगर उन मीन्स को इस ऑर्डर में लिखा जाए तो जो सीक्वेंस या प्रोग्रेशन बनेगी वो जीपी होगी. मीन्स इन दिस सीक्वेंस कॉमन रेशियो इज सेम, दैट इज एच अपॉन जी is equal to g upon a, or g square is equal to a times h. So let me prove it. Now taking left hand side ah, and ah is equal to a plus b upon 2, a plus b upon 2 times h is equal to 2ab upon a plus b. So it is equal to AB, and we can write AB as plus minus radical AB whole square, because when we simplify it we get AB. So and you know it is equal to G square, so it is equal to right hand side, hence AH is equal to G square. Proved. Now let's see another theorem. So theorem 2, if a, g and h are respectively the arithmetic, the positive, geometric and the harmonic means between any two real, positive and unequal numbers a and b, then a is greater than g and g is greater than h. Means relation between means are that means are in descending order. So now we prove it. You know a is equal to a plus b upon 2, g is equal to, now this time g is equal to positive geometric mean, means g is equal to radical ab, and h is equal to 2ab upon a plus b. Now we are required to prove that a is greater than g and g is greater than h. So let me write a square minus g square. So a square means a plus b upon 2 whole square minus g square, and g is equal to radical ab whole square. So it implies that a square plus 2ab plus b square upon 4, means it is a perfect square, minus ab. So after simplification we have a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4 times ab upon 4. So plus 2ab minus 4ab is equal to minus 2ab plus b square upon 4. So we can write a minus b whole square upon 4. Now it is a square quantity, so always remains positive. It is a square minus g square is equal to this. So a square minus g square, because it is greater than 0, because it is a square quantity. So a square minus g square is greater than 0. It implies that a square is greater than g square, or a is greater than g. Further, since a, g, h are in gp, so common ratio will be same, means h upon g is equal to g upon a, or we can write g upon h is equal to a upon g, means reciprocal both sides, a upon g. Now from 1 a is greater than g, and g is positive. So if g is positive and a is greater than g, it means that a is also positive. So a is positive, it implies that since a is greater than g and g is positive, so a upon g is also positive, means greater than 1. Therefore G upon H, because A upon G is equal to G upon H. So A upon G is greater than 1. It means that G upon H is greater than 1, and it implies that G is greater than H. So from 1 and 2, from 1 A is greater than G, A is from 1 and 2, A is greater than G and G is greater than H. So proved. Because we were required this inequality that A is greater than G and G is greater than H. So it was the relation among arithmetic, geometric and harmonic means. I hope you got it. In the next video we will see arithmetico-geometric series. That's it.